Hello everyone and welcome to Tripp's art class. We're doing another art book review. Today's art book is Character Animation Crash Course by Eric Goldberg. Now this is a book that I've checked out before when I was really getting into character animation, so I just wanted to show you this one. What we do on a Trip art book review is we just go ahead and turn through every single page. I don't really expect you to watch this whole entire video, but if you're interested in buying this book, I want you to be able to see it before you spend your hard-earned money on it. So you can see exactly what you're getting every single page. And of course, since this is a video on YouTube, you can pause it at any time if you want to see the page in a little bit more detail. Now this is a book I personally found, somewhat helpful. A lot of this information in this book I already knew or watched tutorials online. So what I was really interested in this book was just the characters, the drawings that were already in it, and that's what I was really curious about. A lot of the written information was stuff that I already knew, but stuff like this right here, where it kind of shows kind of a character mapping, that was what I kind of really appreciated. So I almost kind of saw it as more of a reference book than a book full of information and knowledge, even though there's a lot of information in this book. But in my professional opinion, this would be information for more of a beginner artist, animator, more of someone who hasn't ever really studied animation before. And with modern technology, it is a little bit dated, but that is okay, because there's a lot of people out there, or some people out there still, that love to do traditional paper animation, or even on slides. So some of these visuals really helped me when I was doing some animation. Kind of showed the breakdown of animation and tweening, in-betweening. Overlapping characters. Things like weight and balance. Weight's pretty important when it comes to animation. Stretch, weight, balance. If you want your character animation to look more traditional. And the part everyone loves, lip syncing. This was helpful to me right here. I think I've used that on an animation before. And this is pretty helpful too, right here, for lip syncing. I'm still looking for software that does all your lip syncing for you. That's easy to use. That would be some great animation. That was like just super simple to use. There we go, a section on gimmicks. I've used these gimmicks before. As you can tell, it's a pretty full book. There's a lot of information. I could see this being a really good textbook for an animation course. For beginners. We're coming up here to the end of the book. It originally came with a CD. I don't know what happened to mine, but it's good. It's not there anymore. And there it is. Let's see how thick it is. So, Character Animation Crash Course by Eric Goldberg. And that's it. That's our art book review on Tripp's art class. If you're interested in more related art book reviews, go ahead and subscribe and like, and I will catch you guys later. Have a great day.